So write down first of all. Consider impact load acted on collar at a height h from the collar at the height h from the collar So P is impact load acted on P. It is impact load acted on collar It is cross sectional area of bar. It is cross sectional area of bar. Cross sectional area of bar. L, it is length of bar. Length of bar. E, it is modulus of elasticity of bar. It is modulus of elasticity of bar. It is modulus of elasticity of bar, and delta L, it is change in length due to impact load. Delta L, it is change in length due to impact load. Change in deformation. Change in deformation. Okay. So work done due to external impact load. Due to external impact load. Workload due to external impact load is equal to P into in bracket H plus delta L. Total deformation it is delta L. So height it is called from the delta L. So work done is equal to force into distance. Okay. So force it is P and distance it is H plus deformation it is delta L. Okay. So strain energy, we know that strain energy is equal to sigma square V divided by 2E. Okay. So equate strain energy to work done due to impact load. Work done due to external impact load. Work done equal to external impact load. Okay. Work done equate strain energy to external impact load. Okay. So strain energy it is sigma square V. It is volume, it is area into L. That is A into L divided by 2E. Then is equal to P in bracket H plus delta L. We know that delta L is equal to, okay, now solve this equation. So we know that delta L is equal to it is PL divided by A. We know that delta L is equal to it is P into L divided by A. P into L divided by AE. So P by A it is sigma L divided by AE. Now this equation it will get sigma L divided by E. Sigma L divided by E. Sigma L divided by E. So now solve this equation. Sigma square into AL divided by 2E divided by 2E, then is equal to, so P in bracket H plus sigma L divided by E. So sigma L divided by E. 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 Solve this equation. So sigma square into A into L divided by 2E divided by 2E divided by 2E is equal to P into H plus P into sigma into L, P into sigma into L, P into L into sigma into L divided by E. Divided by E. So write down final equation. Take all this value left right side. Sigma square A into L divided by 2E divided by 2E divided by 2E. Then minus P into sigma into L divided by E minus pH is equal to 0. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. So this is quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. Multiply by 2E divided by AL. 2E divided by AL throughout the span. Throughout the equation. Throughout the equation. Okay. So it will be get final equation. Sigma square into A into L divided by 2E divided by 2E and minus P into sigma. So multiply by multiply by, so the equation it is 2e divided by L, 2e divided by AL, 2e divided by AL, AL, then minus P into sigma, P into sigma into L divided by E into 2e divided by AL, 2e divided by AL, 2e divided by L, then minus P into H into 2e divided by AL, 2e divided by AL, 2e divided by AL, AL is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So simplify this quadratic equation. So this 2e and this 2e it will be get cancelled. This AL it will be get cancelled. In this equation, this E and this E it will be get cancelled. This L and this L it will be get cancelled. So final equation it is sigma square, final quadratic equation, sigma square minus P into sigma minus P into sigma into 2 divided by E sigma 2 divided by A minus PH 2 E H E 2 PHE divided by AL, 2 PHE divided by AL, 2 PHE divided by AL is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation here. Solve this quadratic equation, that is equal to, solve this quadratic equation, that is A is equal to this here, A is equal to 1 comma B is equal to it is minus 2p divided by A, minus 2p divided by A, minus 2p divided by A, then comma C is equal to here, 2phe divided by AL, 2phe divided by AL, 2phe divided by AL. So this one it is also minus 2phe divided by AL. And this one it is also minus 2phe divided by AL. We know that quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac minus 4ac divided by 2a divided by 2a divided by 2a. A it is 1. Put all this value in this quadratic equation. For positive it will be take, for maximum it will be take plus. So minus b, it is minus minus, it will get plus 2p divided by a. The value it is 2p divided by a, divided by a. Then plus for maximum it will be take for plus, then root of, then root of b square, means that is 4 4p square, 4p square, 4p square divided by 4p square divided by a square, divided by a square, divided by a square, minus 4ac, minus 4 into 4 into a, it is 1, it is 1, into c, it is into c, it is minus 2phe divided by l. C, it is minus 2 p 2 phe 2phe divided by al, phe divided by al. So minus minus, it will get plus value. So this value it will get plus value, minus minus plus, we will get plus value divided by 2a, divided by 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Okay, solve this bracket. So here p by a, it will be get common. So final equation it is p by a square. I will just cross check this value. 2p by a, 4p square by a square, at 8phe divided by a, correct. APH divided by AL, correct. So now simplify this equation. So this one it is 2p divided by a. So this one it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into is equal to, right on here, is equal to 2p by a, 2p divided by a, 2p divided by a, 2p divided by a, plus 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 root of, root of, plus root of 4 4p square, 4p square, 4p square divided by a square, divided by a square, divided by a square. So this equation finally it will get plus 4 to the 8, 8, 8 phe, 8 phe divided by al, 8 phe divided by al, divided by al, al. Okay. So this two it will be get cancelled. Final equation. So final equation. So p by a, it will be get outside. Two it will be get outside. Or this one it will be divided by 2. It will become upper side. Actually, this value it will become outside, upper side. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 8. Okay. 2 to the 4, 4p is equal to 4p, 4p divided by a, 4p divided by a, 4p divided by a, then plus we will take common 4 from this, that is root of 4 means it will become outside 2. Okay. Divided by, okay, this 2 will be, no, correct, this 2 it will be get cancelled. So P by A, write on final equation, P by A, P by A, P by A, P by A plus root of root of root of P by A square, P by A square, how it is, just wait. Just let this value to become 8 pH divided by AL. 8 pH divided by AL. A into L. 8 into L. Will not get cancelled this value actually. Okay. It will be this value, it is total is equal to 50 by A. This is whole by 2 actually. This one it is whole by 2. Okay. Whole by 2. Now solve this equation. Now is equal to 2P divided by A. 2P divided by A. 2P divided by A plus take common here 4 from this, root of 4 means that is it will be outside, it will become 2, then root of then root of then root of and end bracket P by A, end bracket P by A, end bracket P by A, and write down this one, end bracket P by A, bracket square, then plus plus 2 P H E, 2 P H E divided by A L, 2 P H E divided by A L, 2 P H E divided by A L, 2 P H E divided by A L. Okay. So divided by whole of this 2, whole of this 2. Okay. So we take 2 common from this. Solve this 2 common. Take the 2 common from this. 2 in bracket P by A, P by A, P by A, P by A, P by A plus root of plus root of plus root of plus root of in bracket P by A square, P by A square, P by A square plus 2PHE plus 2PHE divided by AL, 2PHE divided by AL, 2PHE divided by AL, bracket close, divided by 2. divided by 2 divided by 2. So this two it will be get cancelled. This two it will be get cancelled. So final equation is equal to maximum stress is equal to P by A P by A P by A plus plus root of plus root of plus root of plus root of in bracket P by bracket P by A bracket P by A P by A bracket square plus 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 2 PHE divided by L plus 2 PHE divided by AL 2 PHE divided by AL AL AL. So this one it is stress for the impact loading. Stress for the impact loading. Okay. This one it is stress for the impact loading. So P by A P. So yes, it is correct value. Okay. Okay. So next for if impact if delta L is very small, if delta is delta L is very small, delta is very small, very small compared to H, compared to fall of height H. Okay. So work done is equal to P into H, P into H, P into H, P into H. So equate this equation, equate equate this equation, equate to equate work done, equate to work done due to external load, work done due to external load to external load to strain energy, strain energy. Okay. So we know that strain energy it is sigma square, sigma square. So V it is A into L, V it is A into L, sigma square V divided by 2E, divided by 2E, 2E is equal to, so work done is equal to it is P into H. Okay. So P into H, work done is equal to it is P into H, that is P into H. So H, P it is sigma into A, P into it is sigma is equal to P into A, sigma is equal to it is P into A. We know that sigma is equal to it is P into A. So P is equal to it is sigma into A. P is equal to it is sigma into A, sigma into A into H, into H, into H. So this sigma and this sigma square will be get cancelled. So this A and this A it will be get cancelled. It will be get final equation, that is sigma is equal to I will write down this equation here. So sigma is equal to sigma is equal to sigma is equal to sigma is equal to pH. Sorry. So sigma square, sigma is equal to P by A. So P is equal to sigma into A. Only remaining what? You don't require to, sorry. This one it is P into H. This one it is P into H. So directly we don't require to here eraser. Equates strain energy to, so strain energy it is sigma square, V it is A into L, V it is A into L divided by 2E divided by 2E, 2 into E is equal to P into H is equal to capital P into H. So sigma is equal to, write down now here, sigma is equal to root of root of root of root of root of 2 PHE 2 PHE divided by AL, 2 PHE divided by AL, 2 PHE divided by AL. Okay, so this one it is stress when delta L it is ignored. So stress when impact load acted, including change in length. Okay, so these are the stress calculation for impact loading. Okay.